morning guys, today is day 25. I'm starting my day with a glass of water. It's 750 ml of water ही मैं पूरे खत्म कर. So I'll just start my day with plain water and nothing more. Hey guys, so right now finishing my another bottle. This is 750 ml and look at how cute it is. So my sister gifted this bottle to me with my initials of AzraKhanFitness. This is a lot of work. Monday को मैं अपने clients की progress share करती हूँ. I will share it with you also. So this is how I start tracking उनके measurements weekly. Progress pictures and then their weight, how their week went, the diet plans कुछ उनको चाहिए उससे related चीजें, and I have to check off all my clients. So it does take a lot of time, but I feel so happy when I see these positive changes. Like for her progress has been super good. It has been 5 weeks. She's a student, by the way, a medical student, and this is how she started. Look at her measurements when she started. Look at her weight when she started. 41 inches, 38, 39, 11.5, 65.5 kgs of weight, and then today, after I think 4 weeks का progress है ये, and this is the progress. And the weight आपने अभी देखा, her weight is 61 kgs. So in 4 weeks, she has lost 4.5 kgs and around 6 inches, which is really good. So this is how I keep a track of all my clients. I do it. No one of my team is allowed to see my clients progress. I review it, I do it, everything related to client progress. So yeah. Meanwhile, food wise, I have had a pretty heavy breakfast, so I am not feeling hungry at all. But फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि मुझे थोड़ा सा nuts खाने की ज़रूरत है, तो मैं उसको ला के रख लेती हूँ. I'll have a cup of green tea and दोपहर को मुझे बाहर जाना है, so I have to exchange something in Decathlon and a lot of mini things. So let's see how it goes. Let me know in the comment section आप 30 day challenge ले रहे हो कि नहीं लिया है, तो कौन से डे पे हो आप और आपका वेट और मेजरमेंट्स में कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है. I would love to read your comment. For lunch I'm having curd rice, but उसके लिए मेरे पास कुछ left over rice रखा हुआ था कल का, and उसी को मैं गरम करूँगी and then I will share with you how I make my very own simple curd rice. So just here वो adding करेंगे. Yes, मैं गरम ही curd डाल देती हूँ and I will just mix it with my rice. कर्ड राइस का असली मज़ा उसके तड़के में होता है. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, जीरा, कड़ी पत्ता, हल्दी हुई थी. जैसे आपने देखा आज मंडे है. मंडे इज यूजुअली वेरी हेक्टिक, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई अकोमोडेटेड एज माय मील. कर्ड राइस रिच इन प्रोबायोटिक एंड कार्ब्स, एंड बिकॉज मैंने अपने लंच में और अपने ब्रेकफास्ट में कार्ब्स इंक्लूड किए, तो अब मैं रेस्ट ऑफ द डे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हैव कार्ब्स. रात को भी आई विल नॉट हैव कार्ब्स, आई विल जस्ट हैव प्रोटीन एंड फाइबर. सो दैट्स द प्लान. लेट्स जस्ट टेस्ट इट. और बाय द वे जो राइस है उसमें ऑलरेडी नमक पड़ा हुआ था, इसलिए मैंने कर्ड राइस में नमक नहीं डाला है. आप चाहो तो डाल सकते हो. I love it. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try out this recipe. एक बहुत ही बड़ा अंतर्द्वंद है. My favorite chocolate chip cookies, but I am on diet. एक खा लूँ कुछ नहीं होगा, फिर मन करने लगेगा और खाने का. It smells so good. I think I should not. I think I should commit to my diet. I think I should enjoy it once I know that it's okay, because commitment to yourself is more important. So I'm not going to eat it. So this is the formula of controlling the cravings. I had this box, I got it, I am craving for it. I'm not going to eat it because it is not worth it, because I'm going to be ending up in guilt that I am not focused on my routine. It's not that one cookie is going to hamper the growth or progress. It is just that it is going to hamper my mindset. That's why this is how the trick you have to decide You have to know the pros and cons, and then you have to focus on accepting कि क्या आपको करना है क्या नहीं करना है. That's on you. No one else will be able to do that. A lot of people on Instagram tell me कि मुझे बताइए cravings का क्या करें. Cravings के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते. It's all about training your mind. Okay? Right guys, so this is going to be my high protein, high fiber vegetarian dinner and ये रेसिपी आप पनीर की जगह टोफू यूज़ कर सकते हैं, मशरूम्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं, पीज यूज़ कर सकते हैं, चिकन यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड जस्ट अकोमोडेट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लाइकिंग.
वेट लूज करते हैं देन एवरीथिंग एल्स आल्सो मतलब सब कुछ कोरिलेटेड. ये भी
That's
अगर हो
correct.
जाता है तो ये भी जाता रहता है वही प्रॉब्लम.
See, PCOD or thyroid, both are lifestyle disorders. It is not something which happens because of genetic or any virus. Okay, it is just pure lifestyle disorder, and we have to correct our lifestyle permanently in order to get permanent solutions for these things. It cannot be like आज diet कर लेते हैं, कल बंद कर देंगे, and then because it will be a vicious cycle. If you start losing weight and gaining weight again, your body will get confused ki what to do and what not. Finally done with all the work and now I am having my green tea. और मैं cumin seed water लेने वाली थी but अब मैंने green tea ले लिया है. So that's how my day ends. I did a lot of work today because of course Monday होने की वजह से थोड़े से calls ज़्यादा होते हैं and उसके बाद फिर मुझे बाहर जाना पड़ता है तो it gets exhausting and with the diet. और वो cookies वाला जो मैंने थोड़ा सा आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया इसलिए because everyone falls for cravings but ultimately you have to decide what is more important for you, that cookie or your goal, and then you will stick to it and you have to stick to it. There is no other way. If you want something you have to work towards it, right? So this is how my day ends and I hope this series is helpful for you because नहीं तो जान निकल गई हर रोज vlog कर करके. It is very difficult. It is one thing to follow a diet, follow a program, and it is another thing to share every bit of it and follow it and just encourage people also to do along with me. So ये 30-day challenge मेरे लिए 60-day challenge से कम नहीं था and it's almost over. So let me know how you liked it. Let me know अगर आपको इससे कुछ फ़ायदा हुआ कि नहीं because मुझे लगता है कि ये सीरीज़ काफ़ी फ़ायदेमंद होगी सिर्फ उन लोगों के लिए जो एक्चुअली में चेंज होना चाहते हैं. I'll see you guys tomorrow again सुबह 11 बजे with another day in which I will share what I am going through in my journey and you can also relate to it if you are in your journey. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until next time, stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy.